I'm 7 years old now. And on my 7th birthday, I have received so many gifts. And I'm going to show you top 7 gifts out of them. So let's go. This is my gift number 1. I love to play keyboard. That's why my dad brought me a Casio CTK 3500. Let's have a feel of it. This is my gift number 2. The Mask of Avengers. Spider-Man. Hulk, it just bit my hand. Iron Man. And Captain America. And gift number 3 is related to my favorite Avenger, Captain America. What's this? And this is my gift number 4. The soft tip darts game. Because of pandemic, we can't go outside. So it is the perfect game to improve your aim. And my gift number 5 is an educational and fun science activity kit. Now, my 6th gift is Byju's Early Learn subscription. Now, Hakuna Matata for study. And my 7th gift is a rough pad from my dear brother Krishna. And we can use it as a rough notebook. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Hoping you also like these gifts. To order, follow the description below. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.